Ito ang Sagay City Dairy Farm. At ito yung kanilang city vet, si Dr.
Mojo po.
Mojo Canyonero.
Morning po.
Isang, of course, veterinarian. At ito yung kanilang farm manager, si Bong Valiente. They have, what, 300 heads?
303 heads po.
Mainly, anong breed, Doc?
We have here crosses from a Holstein Jersey. We also have a purebred Jersey na niyalis po natin. Jersey po, na purebred.
Okay.
Purebred Jersey. And then we have the Holstein Jersey and Holstein Sahiwal na mga crosses po.
Of the three breeds, alin ang mas magandang performance given the climatic conditions ng Sagay?
Well, actually, based po sa milk na ni-yield po nila per day, yung pinakamataas po na nag-yield po sa amin, yung breed po ng Jersey.
Holstein Jersey.
Holstein Jersey po na crosses po.
Ano ang average production niya?
Usually po, yung average production po namin, kung yung sa mga imported po namin,
Hindi, yung Holstein Jersey.
Yung Holstein Jersey po, nasa 12 po, 12 liters per day.
Average?
Average po yan.
Holstein Jersey. Okay.
Pero yung mga imported po namin, nag-range po ng around 20 to 28 liters per day. Oo.
So out of the 300 heads na dairy cows, ilan ang imported, ilan ang local production ninyo?
Ngayon po yung nasa imported po namin that was given to us po 2 years ago, nasa 14 po ngayon. Nasa 14 heads po.
14 heads.
Yes po.
Yung iba local na?
Local po. Island-born or they were bred po ng through AI or natural po.
Alright, okay. Now, so ilan ang milking nyo as of the moment?
Milking po namin, nasa 66 heads po kami ngayon.
And where do you source your silage, Bong?
Here, sa Singapore Ricky.
Sa amin po, Ricky nga...
Zone area po.
Pila ka hektarya ng itanong nyo nga, Napier?
55 hectares po.
55 hectares. Ano ang disposal system ninyo sa gatas produced by the dairy farm?
Usually po yung mga gatas po namin mainly talaga is for the milk feeding program with the Department of Education, also with the Kasama, CSWDO, PIDAO.
What is Kasama?
Kasama po is Cadiz, Sagay, and Manapla po na district or District 2 po in general.
Okay.
So
you have no problem with the marketing of your milk?
wala po naman.
Kulang?
Actually po sobra yung aming ng supply, kaya po marami pa kaming binibigyan. And then we supply din po raw milk po sa mga other dairy agencies po. Or mga for them to also value add po yung gatas.
So, 60 heads times 10,
12.
mga 700 liters a day.
Mga ganun po, average po.
Okay. 700, or less than 1 ton. No? Ano ang cost of operation ninyo?
Cost of operation po, yung parang sa...
Pagkain, tao?
For the food po kasi, yung aming na-pair, syempre ad libitum. And then po yung other po is yung concentrates po natin na ginagamit. So, let's say po, hindi na po tayo ako makakabibigay ng exact estimate po.
Pero ang Napier nyo, Bong, wala nyo na silage?
Silage po.
Ang na silage nyo? Pila ka days bago nyo ipapakaon?
60 days po kami.
And I saw some feed mix na binili nyo sa yung bagong grupo. Romson, no? Ruminant Solution.
Ruminant Solutions po.
Ito mga kaibigan, ang kagandahan dito sa Sagay City Dairy Farm. Meron silang na-establish na source ng pagkain. They planted Napier in over 40 hectares. 55 hectares.
Yes, sir.
So that's sufficient for their dairy herd.
Opo.
And then they supplement it with a feed mix produced by a local company,
Opo.
which they buy for 1,700 pesos per bag. Anong mixing nyo per ton of silage? Ilang kilong feed mix?
Upper head po kami, sir.
Per head?
So, 5 kilos per head.
Per head po.
Per day?
Per day, sir.
Okay. Mataas yan, ha? Okay. So, i-compute mo yon and you will get the economics of it all. No? Well, actually, I don't expect this to be very profitable because this is a government facility.
Opo.
No? This is more of a demonstration area na pwede kang mag-start ng dairy farm for a local milk feeding program which will result in lower malnutrition rates sa mga bata.
Opo, sir.
And this is a very good experiment. So, we would like to congratulate the man who started this all, si former Governor
Marañon.
Freddy Marañon.
Opo.
He was really a dreamer, a visionary, no?
Tama po.
And this is being carried over by his son, si Congressman Freddy Marañon. And now the city of Sagay is under Mayor Bebo Cueva
Yes po.
and former mayor, now Vice Mayor Javilosa.
Yes po.
Of course, itong mga projects na ito, parte ito ng pangarap ni late Governor Freddy Marañon. And we have to give him credit for all of this. So ito yung isang example ng isang locality na nag-start ng sarili niyang dairy farm. Kompleto, may source ng pagkain, may marketing system, and of course, in the process, nandun yung mga bata, mga estudyante,
Yung OJTs po natin.
OJTs na nag-aaral dito.
Yung dairy trainees din.
So, this is something that should be replicated by other local government units. In fact, I'm even thinking of replicating this in Cebu province as part of the food security program of the new governor, Governor Pambari Patro.
Wow.
From Sagay City, I'm Manny Piñol. Thank you, Doc. Thank you,
Thank you din po, Sir Manny.
Manager Bong.